Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss the topic as electromagnetic induction. So here we are going to consider a coil which contains a large number of atoms which is connected to a galvanometer. So this is the way we are considering the case of arrangement of a coil which is connected to a galvanometer. So this is the way we can consider the case of a galvanometer. Now we are considering a bar magnet. So in this way we are considering the case of a bar magnet. This is the north pole and this is the south pole of this bar magnet. So we are considering the situation as this bar magnet is moving towards the coil or away from this coil. So initially we are considering the situation as this bar magnet is moving towards this coil in this way. So you can observe that when this bar magnet is moving towards this coil, the pointer of this galvanometer is showing deflection. So like we can say that this pointer is showing deflection towards this right side. In this way, it is showing deflection towards the right side. And we can observe that whenever this magnet is coming to rest, that means its motion can be stopped. So during that time, this pointer is coming back to its original position. Similarly, we can observe that when this bar magnet is going away from this coil. So that time also we can observe that this pointer is showing deflection. But in this time it is showing deflection in the opposite direction. So we can say that in this case this pointer showing deflection towards the left side. And whenever magnet is coming to rest, we can see that immediately this pointer is also coming back to its original position. So in this case we can observe that whenever this bar magnet is moving towards the coil or away from this coil, we can see that this galvanometer shows a deflection. Galvanometer will show a deflection only in presence of an electric current. So it is clear. When this magnet is moving towards the coil or away from this coil, current is producing on this coil. So we can say that current or a EMF is inducing on this coil. So this phenomenon of inducing EMF on this coil is known as electromagnetic induction. So we can say that this phenomenon as electromagnetic induction. So this phenomenon of inducing EMF on this coil is known as electromagnetic induction. And here we can observe that this EMF or a current is inducing only when this magnet is moving towards the coil or away from this coil. When the magnet is coming to rest, there is no EMF is inducing on this coil. So we can say that whenever the magnetic field linked with this coil is changes, an EMF is inducing on this coil. Otherwise, there is no EMF is inducing on this coil. So we can define this electromagnetic induction as when a bar magnet is moving towards the coil or away from this coil, the magnetic field linked with this coil is changes, an EMF is inducing on this coil. So this phenomenon of inducing EMF on this coil is known as electromagnetic induction. Now suppose we are considering one more situation as we can consider the case of a non-conducting frame like this way. And on one side of this frame we can wound number of turns of a coil. So which is connected to a battery, which is connected in series with a battery and a plug key. So in this manner. Initially we can say that this key is open. And neighboring we can consider there is one more coil wound over this frame which is connected to a galvanometer arrangement. In this way which is connected to a galvanometer arrangement. You can observe this situation. Now we can observe that when the key is closed, this is our coil 1. We can name this as coil 1 and this is our coil 2. So we can observe that this key is closed. That means current is passing through this coil 1. So during that time we can observe there is a momentary deflection shown by this galvanometer. And after that it is coming back to its original position. Similarly, when the key is open, now this is open. So that time also you can see that this galvanometer is showing deflection, but which is in the opposite direction. After that, immediately coming back to its original position. So in this case also, we can observe that galvanometer is showing deflection. That means there is a current or a EMF is inducing in this coil too. Yes, that means there is an this phenomenon we can call it as an electromagnetic induction. Phenomenon of inducing current in this coil. So here we can observe that current is inducing in this coil due to change of current is passing through this coil, first coil. So whenever current passing through the first coil changes, magnetic field linked to this second coil is also changes. Therefore, an EMF or a current is inducing on this coil. So this phenomenon of inducing EMF on this coil we can call it as an electromagnetic induction. So this is another method of inducing EMF on this coil.